Today I'm sharing 3 of our favorite holiday desserts. First up, banana cream pie. For the crust, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Then in a food processor, combine 1½ cups flour, 3/4 cup cold and cubed butter, about a cup of chopped walnuts. Mix that up and pulse it until it becomes fine little crumbs. Then pour that mixture into a 9x13 baking dish and press it down until it resembles a crust. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, remove from the oven and let it completely cool. While it's cooling, in a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, 1 8-ounce brick of softened cream cheese, and whip that all together. In a separate bowl, mix up whatever instant pudding flavor you like. Today I'm using banana. Make the pudding according to the box directions for pie filling. On top of your pudding mixture, slice up some banana or whatever fruit you would like. Then spread your cream cheese mixture over that. Pour your pudding mixture over the cream cheese. Then chill this in the fridge for about an hour. Remove from the refrigerator and spread a thin layer of Cool Whip over the top. Slice and serve. It is amazing. This next one is technically a vegetable, but it is sweet enough to be on the dessert table. I call it sweet potato cobbler. I start with about 2 to 3 large sweet potatoes, peeled and then boiled until they are nice and soft. Drain and mash. I like to put mine through a potato ricer so that there aren't any lumps. In a separate bowl, mix 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 2 beaten eggs, 1/2 cup coconut, 1/2 cup melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything together, adding the coconut in after the other ingredients are mixed. Pour this into a 9x13 baking dish. For the topping, in a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons butter, 1/2 cup of sliced pecans, and 1/4 cup flour. Combine that all together, then sprinkle this over the top of your sweet potato mixture. Keep uncovered at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. And there you have it, our sweet potato cobbler. I think this strawberry pretzel dessert is my favorite. For the crust, I mixed 2 cups of crushed pretzels. You can use gluten-free, 2/3 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup sugar. Combine all those well. Press that into the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Bake at 325 degrees for about 10 minutes. After baking, remove the crust from the oven and let it completely cool. In a separate bowl, combine 1/4 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. After that's mixed, fold in 1 cup of Cool Whip. Let this chill in your fridge. On the stovetop, make the Jell-O layer with 2 cups of boiling water, 2 3-ounce boxes or 1 6-ounce box of strawberry Jell-O. Let that cook according to the package directions. Then once the Jell-O is dissolved, add 1.5 cups of ice cold water. Mix that, then allow that to refrigerate for about 90 minutes or until thickened. While the Jell-O is cooling, slice up some strawberries and then mix that in with the Jell-O. Now just assemble. Put your cream cheese mixture over your crust mixture and then pour the strawberry Jell-O mixture over the top of the cream cheese layer. Let this chill in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes, then top it with a layer of Cool Whip. In the comments, I'd love to know your favorite dessert. Thanks for watching.